I'm about to cross over. We're gonna see what's over on the other side of the border.
Focus, man.
hari rwose umuhanzi ukomeye cyane uruhererekane rw'abantu mu kumuherekeza witwa Sinyade Bokona. Nakomeje kureba amateka ye, amazina ye nyayo, hadasa yari umuririmbyi.
All right, so we just checked out of Rwanda, got our passport stamped. We're about to cross the border, the final frontier of East Africa. Gracias. Your the light on your phone is turned on. You got the light on. Okay. So you got the two flags here, marking both countries, and we're about to cross now. Gonna have to open our bags and everything. Typical stuff. This is that traveler's life. I can't even talk. We've been on this bus so long. This is so you know it's real. I'm out here at the border right now to the Republic of Burundi. I'm about to cross over. We're gonna see what's over on the other side of the border. So come along with me. I'm gonna show y'all something. Okay, so we have arrived and our fish plate just came up. I forget the name of this. This is the one of the suggestions of the day. It's the sangala en papilote. It's a French dish, and we've got some potatoes, carrots, fish of course, and we got our drinks here. It's watermelon mixed with, I believe it's pineapple, and we're right in front of the sea. You can't see it, but the lake is right in front of us. If you look past this darkness, so it should be fresh. Let's see what it's doing.
This thing is a light that's better than y'all. Focus, man.